The FIFA World Cup 2026 continues with a fascinating Group G matchup, Belgium versus Egypt. At first glance, Belgium enters this game as the favorite. They've spent years ranked among the world's elite teams, packed with experienced stars and a reputation for delivering results on the biggest stage. In finance, Belgium is like a well-established blue-chip stock, trusted, recognized, expected to perform. But every investor knows one important rule: past performance does not guarantee future results. That's where Egypt enters the picture. Egypt may not carry the same global expectations, but they have something that often creates opportunity in both sports and investing: motivation, discipline, and the ability to surprise the market. Think of Egypt as an undervalued asset, not getting the headlines, not attracting the same attention, but potentially offering significant upside if everything comes together. This match is really a battle between expectations and opportunity. Belgium's challenge is protecting its reputation. Egypt's challenge is creating value from every opportunity. Investors face this decision every day. Do you put your money into a proven market leader? Or do you take a chance on a rising competitor that could outperform expectations? The smartest investors know the answer isn't always obvious. Success comes from execution, not reputation. As this match unfolds, watch how each team handles pressure. Watch who stays disciplined. Watch who takes advantage of key moments, because championships and wealth are built the same way. One smart decision at a time. Whether Belgium proves why it's a favorite or Egypt delivers a surprise, this game offers a valuable lesson for investors. The market doesn't reward expectations. The market rewards results. And in the World Cup, just like investing, the team that executes best usually wins. Subscribe for more FIFA World Cup 2026 analysis through the lens of investing, business, and wealth building.